Federal District Court Judge Alan Sharp has died, ending one of the longest terms of any federal court judge in the country. Thanks for joining us this evening. I'm Laura Kirtley. District 4 Federal Judge Alan Sharp died on Friday at the age of 77. Those who knew the judge over his 30 years of service say he will be missed.
Ernest Wilkinson thumbs through the book his friend Judge Alan Sharp co-authored, America's Lawyer Presidents. He says Sharp not only loved the bench, but history. Wilkinson met Sharp at Indiana State University in a history class. Later, they reunited during their careers when Sharp became a judge and he became a journalist for the Indianapolis Star.
I watched him on the bench covering one of his trials. He could be writing memos on other cases and knew exactly what was being said in the courtroom by the trial lawyers, and he'd even recommend them while writing a note on something else.
Wilkinson covered Judge Sharp on a landmark case involving Fair Oak Farms and water rights.
At that time, Indiana had very little water law, and that trial, not because of him, but because of the situation, spurred the Indiana legislature to create some water law we didn't have.
Judge Sharp also presided over the desegregation of Fort Wayne Community Schools. Wilkinson remembers him as tireless at the bench.
Workaholic. Yeah, he went to the Indiana Appellate Court and they had a backlog of cases. He cleaned house in a hurry. And the other appellate court judges complained he was working too hard.
He worked in the courts until the end. Wilkinson says Judge Sharp wouldn't have had it any other way.
He could have simply retired. He said, what would I do?
Wilkinson looks at the inscription to the book Judge Sharp gave him. It reads, "With respect and great memories." Two things Wilkinson says he'll always have for his friend.
Judge Sharp also served in the U.S. Air Force Reserve.